Hi friends, it's Mrs. Jared from East Washington Academy. We've been talking about different parts of a story. Today we're looking at the two stories, The Big Red Lollipop and This Is Our House. And we're going to be looking specifically at how the illustrator uses images that cause you to think it's closer and further away. Now, if an object is closer to the camera, it appears bigger than something that is further away. The same thing happens when the illustrator is using it in the book. If you look carefully at the lollipop in the picture, you'll think, wow, that looks like it's really close to me, when in fact, it is the same distance as the other little girl's eye. So the illustrator might zoom in, might zoom out. So your job today is to write what the illustrator does in the pictures, and then so we know what the reader is thinking. We know what is looking closer, what is looking further away. You need to look carefully and give great examples of what happens in the book.